A certified pre-owned Cadillac passes a 172-point vehicle inspection and a reconditioning process with stringent standards for mechanical condition and appearance. This means that when you see the certified pre-owned label on this Cadillac, you can be sure that it's a quality pre-owned vehicle.
Feel confident in this CarFax verified one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Find this complimentary CarFax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.